Hello, everyone. Welcome to our lab today. This is the Hidden Curve Lab. Okay, so the goal of your lab today, or the goal of this lab, is to actually verify that the temperature of a substance remain constant when it is undergoing a phase change. So when you take any substance, when the substance is undergoing a phase change, the temperature of the substance remain constant. Okay, this is the goal of the lab today. We are going to verify that by the end. So to do this lab, you need, let me show you a hot plate. Okay, you need a digital thermometer. You also need a timer. Okay, timer. For the timer, you can also use your cell phone. Okay, you can use your cell phone to time, or you can use a real. You can also use a real timer. Okay, you need 200 milliliter of Baker. Okay, you need two of them. Okay, as we moving throughout the procedure of this lab, you're gonna know why we have two. Okay, you need 200 milliliter of Baker. Okay, so for the procedure of the lab, you're going to measure, you're going to heat first. The first part, you're going to heat water. Okay, going to heat water and take the temperature of that water every 15 seconds. Okay, until the water start boiling. Okay, or you can just keep looking at the temperature or of the taking the temperature of the water until the temperature became actually constant. Okay, so by that time the water will be boiling. Okay, because as soon as the water starts boiling, you know that the water is going throughout what we call a change of phase. So to do that, I advise you to, I will always advise to get the same volume of water and alcohol, because in the second part, after you heat up water, okay, you're gonna also do the same thing with alcohol. You're gonna heat up alcohol. Okay, I have a bottle of alcohol here. You're gonna heat up alcohol too. Okay, so and by the end, you're going to use the data. Okay, time and temperature, or temperature vs time. You're gonna draw a graph by the end, actually, to show that when the water, okay, is going through a change of phase, when the water is going through the change of phase, when the water is boiling, actually the temperature stay constant. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna do this for water and you're gonna do this for alcohol. Okay, so when you are getting the water, get 100 milliliter of water, and then when you are doing for the alcohol, get the same volume, get the same volume, 100 milliliter of alcohol too. Okay, so I think that's all. As a procedure, that's what you do for this. One thing to remind you is when you start, this is how it should look. This is my water here. I have it. with the thermometer inside. So as soon as you put the water, the beaker containing the water on the hot plate, okay, you need to start the timer. And every 15 seconds, look at the temperature, okay, change. You start. As soon as you put it on it, that's 0 second, okay? You should take the temperature and then you start from there. You start from there. Same thing for the alcohol too, okay? Another thing too, I want to talk about is before even you put the water, or you put the water, you put the water on the hot plate to make sure you turn the hot plate on 5 minutes before you start the experiment. Okay, very good. I think I gave you all the information you need actually to proceed to your lab. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you soon.